endocrine, and number second I will explain about hormones.
Hello my friend, my name is Abdullah Dewi. I'm the second speaker and I will explain about hormone function and how hormone work.
Hello my friend, I'm the last speaker. My name is Adinda Permatasari. I will explain about cause endocrine disorders and endocrine disease.
So guys, what is endocrine system? Endocrine system is a semi-cell messenger system comparing feedback loops of the hormone released by internal glands of the organ and directly into the circulatory system, regulating distant target organ. In human, the major endocrine system, there are two glands. There is the thyroid glands and adrenal glands. In the vertebrate, hypothalamus is the neural control center for all the endocrine system. And then, what is the hormone? A hormone is any of class of signaling molecules that produced by glands in a multicellular organism that are transported by the circulating system to target distant organ to regulate physiology and behavior. Hormones have of three classes of semi-cell structure. Number one is eicosanoid, and number two is steroid, and number three is amino acid. The major glands of the endocrine system include the pineal glands, pituitary glands, pancreas, ovaries, testes, thyroid glands, parathyroid glands, hypothalamus glands, is adrenal glands.
Hormones are used to communicate between organ and tissues for physiological regulation and behavioral activities such as digestion, metabolism, regulation, respiration, tissue function, sensory perception, sleep, expression, activity, stress, growth and development, movement, calculation, and more. Hormones affect the cell by binding to specific receptor protein in the target cell, resulting in a change in cell function. This might lead to cell-type specific response that include rapid change to the activity of existing protein or slower change in the expression of target genes. Amino acid-based hormones are water soluble and act on the surface of target cells via signal transduction pathways. Steroid hormones inhibit soluble move through the plasma membrane of the target cells and in their place. Endocrine disease due to the development of lesions, such as abuse of tumors in the endocrine system, which may or may not affect hormone levels. And then about endocrine disease. Increased levels of endocrine hormone may be caused by a problem with the endocrine feedback system, disease,
Next, failure of a gland to stimulate another gland to release hormone. For example, a problem with the hypothalamus can disrupt hormone production in the pituitary gland. Next, a genetic disorder such as multiple endocrine neoplasm or MN or congenital hypothyroidism. And then infection, injury to an endocrine gland, tumor of an endocrine gland. So how can you understand the explanation of endocrine system?
Which is explained with my partner. If you don't understand completely, you can put this video.
The glands that make up the endocrine system produce chemical messengers called hormones that travel through the blood to other parts of the body. Important endocrine glands include the pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, and adrenal glands. There are other glands that contain endocrine tissue and secrete hormones, including the pancreas, ovaries, and testes. The endocrine and nervous systems work closely together. The brain sends instructions to the endocrine system. In return, it gets constant feedback from the glands. The two systems together are called the neuroendocrine system. The hypothalamus is the master switchboard. It's the part of the brain that controls the endocrine system. That pea-sized structure hanging below it is the pituitary gland. It's called the master gland because it regulates the activity of the glands. The hypothalamus sends either hormonal or electrical messages to the pituitary gland. In turn, it releases hormones that carry signals to other glands. The system maintains its own balance. When the hypothalamus detects the rising level of hormones from a target organ, it sends a message to the pituitary to stop releasing certain hormones. When the pituitary stops, it causes the target organ to stop producing its hormones. The constant adjustment of hormone levels lets the body function normally. This process is called homeostasis.
The endocrine system is composed of 10 glands in different parts of the body. When the endocrine glands are stimulated, they produce molecules called hormones and release them into the vascular system. Hormones are like chemical messengers, transported by the blood to target cells. When it reaches a target cell, the hormone attaches itself to a specific receptor, which triggers a physiological process such as cell division. The production of many hormones is controlled by two small structures located at the base of the brain, the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. The hypothalamus is composed of nerve nuclei that control vital functions such as sleep. The hypothalamus also controls the pituitary gland, which is the main hormone-producing gland. The pituitary gland alone secretes 9 different hormones. Vasopressin, for example, regulates kidney functioning. Oxytocin causes contractions of the uterus during childbirth. Other pituitary hormones control skin pigmentation and bone growth. Together, the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland produce a third of the body's hormones. They therefore have an effect on many physiological processes.